Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about recently, getting a refund from Spocket. Now, before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why you might want to get a refund from Spocket. There are a few reasons, really. Maybe you're not happy with the quality of the products, or maybe you're not getting the support you need, or maybe you're just not using Spocket as much as you thought you would. Whatever the reason, it's important to know that you have the right to request a refund. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, let's get started. How to get a refund from Spocket. The first thing you need to do is go to the Spocket website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the My Orders tab. From here, you can find the order that you want to get a refund for. Click on the Order Details button for that order. On the Order Details page, you'll see a button that says Request Refund. Click on that button. You'll then be asked to provide a reason for your refund. Be as specific as possible in your explanation. Once you've submitted your request, Spocket will review it and get back to you as soon as possible. What to do if you don't get a refund? If you don't get a refund from Spocket after submitting your request, you can contact their customer support team. You can do this by emailing them at email address removed, or by calling them at +1 855 977 6253. Tips for getting a refund from Spocket. Here are a few tips for getting a refund from Spocket. Be patient. It can take some time for Spocket to process your request. Be polite and professional in your communication with Spocket. Be specific about the reason for your refund. Have your order number and invoice ready when you contact Spocket. Getting a refund from Spocket can be a bit of a hassle, but it's definitely possible. Just follow the steps in this video and you should be able to get your money back. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.